Hi, today we're going to talk about calling out courses. What are callouts? Well, think of the scenario where you sit down at a table and they have a number of people and they all each order a beverage, a main, an entree and a dessert. They will likely not want their mains or their desserts delivered to them straight away, but they will want their beverages and their entrees delivered to them as soon as possible. This is fairly standard modus operandi for a restaurant. You can manage this problem within Amicus by simply calling out courses as required. So here we go. Looking at table 3 in area 3, we can see that they've got some entrees, some beverages and some mains already ordered. The little bell denotes that the beverages and the entrees have been called out automatically. The blue ticks mean that the mains have been sent to the kitchen, but they've not been called for yet. We can go ahead and call for those right now simply by selecting mains and then selecting call. You'll notice that the status of each item changes to the little bell to denote that it's been called for. We can close this table now, and if we were to wander into the kitchen, we would find that we have a docket signifying that there's a call out requested for those mains, and the chef would then know to get on with preparing those mains. In addition, if they were using kitchen screens, the items would be flagged as ready for service, and the restaurant could get on with serving those mains. But what about beverages and entrees? You wouldn't want to have to call them out every single time. Fortunately, Amicus caters for this by including an auto call feature. So, if we open a table for 2 diners and we each add a beverage, notice it gets the diner number correct, an entree, and a main, with some salsa, and send that order to the kitchen. If we then go back in and inquire on that order, you'll notice that the beverages and the entrees have automatically been called. That will not result in double handling of dockets, but it will result in the correct information being displayed on the kitchen screen. This is just one of many ways that Amicus can help improve business process and speed up service in your restaurant.